1945 Willys MB, of course, which was basically the predecessor to the Jeep CJ2A. So very similar vehicles, kind of one and the same. This particular car has been modified, some underneath the hood. 350 V8 power. That's paired up with a 4-speed Muncie. Does have power steering, front disc brakes. See, it's nicknamed the Cherry Bomb. That might have something to do with the way it sounds. Got a nice little rumble to it. Headers on it. We're going to check out that engine bay, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. But first, I want to let you know where to see all the still pictures at. And all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Paint has a nice shine to it. There are blemishes in it, though, you can see here and there. It's one of those vehicles that's been driven. Take it out, have some fun. Cruise-ins, roll-ins, a little off-roading. Does have magnesium wheels, BF Goodrich radial, all-terrain tires, and there is plenty of tread depth left on those. There you can see the headers underneath also. Kind of the side dump exhaust right in front of the rear wheels. Bucket seat belts. There's that Muncie 4-speed. Some aftermarket gauges have been added. All right, this one, as you can see, does have the bimini top. As well as, if we turn around here, we do have the side doors and also the soft top and the hardware. Miscellaneous folder of receipts. That looks like a Kaiser, a Willys kind of parts manual, I guess, if you will. A few notes from the previous owner of this one. It does have newer brake cylinders and shoes. Newer wiring throughout. Carb was rebuilt. Does have a Holley 4-barrel on it. Newer power steering pump. Fuel tank and gas lines were also replaced previously. Brakes are 90% in the front, 70% in the rear. Technician noted it could use valve cover gaskets in the future. 33 by 12.5 on the tire size. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And if you like Jeeps, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And we have had a recent run of Jeeps as far as in our inventory. All right, you can see tilt column. Trying to figure out the easiest way one-handed to get in this and start it up for you. I think what I'll do is I'm in neutral. Let's do this. Let's reach across. So you start it up very easily. Check out the gauges down here. Tach is working. See voltmeter. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Looks like fuel gauge is full. That's accurate. And then oil pressure. So it looks like those gauges are working. And you do have a speedo right there. Seating surfaces, rear rips, tears, holes. Fuel cell in the back. Fuel's up right here. Be a fun summer vehicle, no doubt about that. All right, I'm going to pause it a second. I want to get this hood open so we can check out that engine bay. All right, hood is popped. We're going to have a bit of trivia real quick first. Down below in the description, in the comment area, there's two groups that sang a song named Cherry Bomb. What were the two band/groups/artists? Full trivia. We'll see who answers it down there. No Googling and cheating. HEI ignition, headers again. Power steering pump you'll see down here, there it is. Nice throttle response out of that Holley 4-barrel. Running smooth. Plenty of power for this thing, no doubt about that. 1945 Willys MB, or the predecessor to the Jeep CJ2A, also could be considered, I suppose. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can sure assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1945 Willys Jeep.
Like the early cousin to the CJ Wrangler. This one looking great in red with a 4-speed manual on the floor. Cherry Bomb, the appropriate name for this one, with a little bit of noise. Sounded good coming out the exhaust. Plenty of acceleration for lots of fun. Handles great for a Jeep. Oil pressure at 40, the fuel gauge is completely full. Volts are over halfway, as they should be. Water temperature is right at 100. That may still be coming up. Hopefully you can hear me okay. We don't have any sides. It is an open air Jeep. It does come with soft sides. Corners really easy to steer. Tachometer also working. Speedometer attached to the column, and that appears to be working as it should. Turn signal indicators in that speedometer working as well. Really fun Jeep. Check out all the pictures of Willys at uniqueclassiccars.com.